Everybody, Bentley here. I am going to show you guys how to do something kind of fun. It's basically, and don't freak out, how to do some fabric folds like this. It's actually, once I break it down, it's a lot easier than you think it is. So the first thing is we've already started with, cylinders. So when you make your cylinder, right, you kind of got your round thing at the top, and then you come down, and you've got your round bottom, right? Hopefully you guys can see this. It's kind of light, let me make it darker. All right, so you've got your cylinder, all right? So kind of practice your cylinder for a minute. What if you cut your cylinder open? So bring down a couple of vertical lines. So imagine it's maybe like a, I don't know, jar or something, right? You're gonna see the bottom now. Make those lines a little darker for you. Okay, so you see how I did that? I just kind of opened up that cylinder. So I'll do another one from the other way. So again, to make your cylinder, remember we talked about ellipses, right? An ellipse is not round, right? It's kind of like this cup here, right? Your brain knows it's round, but when you start to see the cup from different angles, it no longer looks like a circle, right? It looks like a little squished circle. So this is what's called an ellipse. So that's the shape there that you want to do on your cylinders. Bring down your verticals. Now let's say I want to open it on the other side. So just these little vertical lines I brought down here, I'm going to bring it down on this back side. And then take out that center part. Okay. And then there you go, it's facing the other way. Okay. So do that a couple of times and kind of get that going. You can also, I want to get my big eraser. Where are you, big eraser? Here you are. Okay, you can also do one that is where you're looking up at it, okay? So again, start with your ellipse. Hopefully this is dark enough for you guys to see. Let me go over these lines a little bit. And it helps if that's shaded, right? Okay, so here's our other one. Again, get your ellipse going. This takes a lot of practice, just so you know. But the point of the ellipse is it's the widest right here in the middle, all right? And it's the skinniest here on the side. So if that helps you kind of, get that going, that's where it should be the widest when you make your ellipses. So I'm gonna do this one from above. So that's now my back line, which means I'm gonna erase my front line. So now you're not seeing the top anymore, right? Now we're gonna see the bottom. So I'm gonna slice open the bottom here. It's basically this guy flipped over. Right, and a little shadow helps. Okay, so you see how this is basically this thing just flipped around. So practice that first, get your cylinder shapes kind of going. Then what you're gonna start doing is you're gonna start putting them together, okay? So let me do, is this video gonna be too long? I might have to start another video. It might be too long. Okay, so this is video number 1. I'll do number 2.